Hello, I am Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your gynecologist, and your obesity resource person. Ang topic natin ngayon ay about peptides, no? Ah, Marami ang hindi nakakaalam tungkol dito sa substance na ito, no? In fact, nagpo-produce tayo ng peptide sa ating katawan, pero habang tumatanda tayo, it becomes like just like stem cells na when you grow older, it is getting depleted and depleted, no? So, ngayon, kaya natin binibigay itong mga ganitong substances, yung peptides, para ma-replenish yung peptides na pinoproduce ng ating katawan na hindi na masyado na produce dahil nga tumatanda na tayo. What is the definition of peptides? Peptides are essential amino acids which is essential for building our proteins. They are an essential building blocks for proteins, for organic molecules, crucial for building muscles, repairing tissue, making hormones, and numerous body functions. But unlike proteins, they are they present in a very small size, enough to act as precise biological messengers, delivering targeted signals in the body, which helps regulate essential processes throughout our body. So, itong peptides na to, ito yung nagre-regulate ng ating mga functions, no, sa lahat ng organs ng body natin. At kaya siya very effective kasi siya din yung nagsisignal dun sa mga organs natin kung ano yung gustong ipagawa ng ating katawan, dahil ito yung kailangan ng ating katawan na gawin para ma-resolve yung health problems natin. So, peptides are very essential because they are the essential building blocks that helps repair whatever damage occurs in our body. Ngayon, napakarami po ng peptides, no? Iba-iba ang kanilang function. So, i-discuss ko yan sa ating next videos para hindi po kayo masyadong ma-overwhelm, no? Pero ngayon, ang i-discuss ko lang ay isang klase ng peptide, okay? So, these peptides is not only an essential building blocks for our different organs, but it is also a substance that influence functions such as metabolism, okay, immune balance, hormone signaling, tissue repair, and cellular communication. So the first peptide that I will discuss is the so-called BPC. Okay, yun yung pangalan ng mga peptides eh. BPC 157 yata siya. Okay, it is a peptide composed of 15-chain amino acids. Ang nanggagaling po ito, na-isolate po ito from our gastric juice, no? At ang benefits po niya includes improves joint health, okay? Kung kayo may mga arthritis, this is what you need, no? Muscle, it mends muscle and tendon. So, kung ikaw ay athlete na nagkaroon ka ng tear sa muscles mo or sa tendons mo, this is what you will need. Okay, and if you are older at nag-ano ka na, may rayuma ka na, naapektuhan na yung muscle mo tsaka yung mga tendons mo, you also need this one. Kasi it's not only effective for muscle repair but also for bone repair. So, yan, it accelerates bone healing, no? And it also protect against intestinal and gut damage. Yan. So, ayan yung function ng BPC 157 na peptide. Okay. The next peptide is PT141. Ito, medyo interesting to, no? Ito yung peptide na ginagamit kapag may sexual dysfunction ng isang tao. Like, say, for example, hindi ka na maka-erect, no? You have this dysfunctional erectile problem. So, this is what you will need, okay? Siyempre, may mga injectable, may mga oral. Pag injectable, mas faster yung effect nila. Pero yung oral, if you want a maintenance, then you go for the oral, sublingual, no? Para lang siyang candy na nilalagay mo sa ilalim ng dila at umeepekto na. Okay. So in men, it can induce erections and restore erectile function. This is the PT141. In women, it can influence subjective arousal and desire. It also provides an alternative treatment for individuals who cannot tolerate other treatments well or for men who do not respond to other treatments such as sildenafil and tadalafil. It is also not dependent on sexual stimulation. So even without sexual stimulation, you can get an arousal or you can get an erection, no? So it's not dependent on sexual stimulation and is an alternative for psychological erectile dysfunction. Just imagine, ngayon meron ka ng mga ganito na pwede mong gamitin kapag ikaw ay may problema sa sexual intercourse, no? And it could be sublingual only, no? Nasa ilalim lang ng dila nilalagay at magpa-function ka na properly. Of course, it's not a magic, but as you go through it, as you use it, everything improves. Just like the BPC 157 na for joint, muscle, and bone function naman. Okay? Sa next video natin, may iba pa tayong i-discuss ng mga peptides. It's very interesting and you'll like everything that I'm going to say next time. So, if you have any other questions, just get in touch through my numbers and please like and share my account.